Turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, has garnered worldwide attention for its remarkable health benefits. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, turmeric has the potential to alleviate various health concerns. It is often used to reduce joint pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, making it a natural remedy for those seeking pain relief. Turmeric may also aid in heart health by improving blood vessel function, reducing cholesterol levels, and mitigating oxidative stress. Additionally, its potential to support brain health by promoting the growth of new neurons and delaying age-related cognitive decline is a subject of ongoing research. Moreover, turmeric is associated with enhanced digestive health, immune system support, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. Incorporating turmeric into one's diet through curries, teas, or supplements is a flavorful way to harness its health-boosting potential. However, it's important to note that the absorption of curcumin can be limited, so combining it with black pepper, which contains piperine, can enhance its bioavailability and maximize its benefits.